am born from above. The nature of my Father is working in my life. I have received the calling that is holy and divine, a life beyond the limits of the natural mind. The Father placed His nature in the center of my soul. Now love and truth and power are making me whole. Or pride, the love of God is flowing like a river deep inside. His patience is my garment, His kindness is my way, His wisdom is my counsel. Through the labor of the day, I carry what He gave me. I become what I behold. Divine nature living in me, Holy Spirit setting me free. Divine nature, glory and grace, I reflect the Father's face. Divine nature, pure and true. Jesus, I am found in you. The world may pull toward darkness, but I shine another light. I answer evil with goodness and walk by what is right. The fruits of the Spirit are blooming in my days. I carry God's own fragrance in my worship and my ways. Let my life become a mirror of the Savior's heart. The Savior's heart. Let my choices carry heaven into